Alright, so you're chilling, about to dive into some work, maybe some gaming, and bam! Suddenly you're locked out of your Windows 11 PC. It's frustrating, right? We've all been there staring at that login screen like it personally offended us, but don't trip. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 super effective methods to get you back in the game ASAP. We're talking about getting back into your Windows 11 PC without needing some crazy tech skills. Whether you forgot your password, your cat walked across the keyboard one too many times, or maybe the matrix just glitched out, I got you covered. We'll be diving into safe mode, the magic of Microsoft accounts, the trusty password reset disk, and even flexing a little command prompt muscle. And if all else fails, don't worry, we've got the nuclear option reinstalling Windows. So, let's start with safe mode. Safe mode is like a secret backdoor into your system. It loads only the essential drivers and services which can help you troubleshoot and fix login issues. To access safe mode, you'll need to restart your computer and press the F8 key repeatedly before Windows starts loading. Once you're in, you can try to log in and reset your password. Next up, Microsoft accounts. If you're using a Microsoft account to log in, you can reset your password online. Just go to the Microsoft account recovery page, follow the prompts, and you'll be able to set a new password. This method is super handy if you have access to another device. Now let's talk about the password reset disk. If you were proactive and created a password reset disk before getting locked out, you're in luck. Insert the disk, follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be back in your account in no time. It's a lifesaver for those who plan ahead. For the more tech-savvy, there's the command prompt. You can use it to enable the hidden administrator account and reset your password. Boot from a Windows installation media, open the command prompt, and type in a few commands. It's a bit more advanced, but it works like a charm. And finally, if all else fails, you can always reinstall Windows. It's the nuclear option, but it guarantees a fresh start. Just make sure to back up your important files before you proceed. So there you have it. 5 ways to unlock your Windows 11 PC. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock your PC. Remember, these methods are here to help you out of a jam. Whether it's safe mode, Microsoft accounts, password reset disks, command prompt, or reinstalling Windows, there's always a way to get back in. So don't stress, follow these steps, and you'll be back to work or gaming in no time. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and good luck unlocking your PC. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock your PC. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock your PC. First up, safe mode. It's a powerful tool that can help you troubleshoot and fix various issues with your Windows 11 system. Think of it like this. Your Windows 11 is a high-performance sports car, all the bells and whistles. It's designed to run smoothly and efficiently, but sometimes things can go wrong. Safe mode is like putting it in neutral and hitting the shop. It's a diagnostic mode that allows you to troubleshoot and fix problems without the interference of third-party software or drivers. It boots up Windows with only the essentials, no fancy drivers or apps, just the core stuff. Now why is this useful? Because it helps you isolate the problem. Well, sometimes a rogue program or driver can mess with your login. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially if you need to get work done or access important files. Safe mode bypasses all that. By loading only the essential drivers and services, it allows you to log in and troubleshoot the issue without any interference. To get there, restart your PC. This is the first step in accessing safe mode. As soon as you see the Windows logo, hold down the power button to interrupt the boot process. This might feel a bit counterintuitive, but it's necessary to trigger the automatic repair environment. Repeat this a couple of times and you'll enter the automatic repair environment. This is where you can access various troubleshooting tools, including safe mode. From there, navigate to troubleshoot file, advanced options, startup settings, and finally, select safe mode. This series of steps ensures that you're booting into the diagnostic mode correctly. Once you're in, try logging in with your password. If it works, great. You're now in a controlled environment where you can start diagnosing the issue. You can then try uninstalling any recently installed software or drivers that might be causing the issue. This is often the quickest way to resolve conflicts and get your system back to normal. Additionally, you can run antivirus scans to check for malware or other malicious software that might be affecting your system. Safe mode makes it easier to remove these threats because they can't interfere with the scanning process. Don't forget to check for Windows updates as well. Sometimes simply updating your system can resolve a lot of issues. Safe mode allows you to do this without any interruptions. Once you've made the necessary changes, restart your computer and boot into normal mode. With any luck, your issue will be resolved, and your high-performance Windows 11 will be back to running smoothly. Okay, so maybe safe mode didn't cut it. No worries, we've got another trick up our sleeve. Your Microsoft account. If you use one to log into your PC, you're in luck. Head over to account.microsoft.com/devices on another device. Could be your phone, a tablet, anything with internet access. Sign in with the same Microsoft account you use for your locked PC. You should see a list of your devices. Find your PC and click on Find and Lock. Now here's the magic. You'll see a reset password option. Click on that, follow the on-screen instructions, and boom! You'll have a fresh new password for your Windows 11 PC. Just make sure you remember this one, alright? Chapter 3, Password Reset Disk, the OG Savior. Remember that flash drive you swore you'd label but never did? Well, if you were smart and created a password reset disk beforehand, now's the time to find it. This method is clutch for those who use local accounts instead of Microsoft accounts. Plug in your password reset disk and fire up your locked PC. At the login screen, you'll see an option to use a reset password or password reset disk. Click that, and follow the on-screen wizard. It'll guide you through the steps asking you to set a new password. Once you're done, you can log in with your fresh password. Pro tip: label your password reset disk this time. Chapter 4, Command Prompt, the techie's best friend. Alright, time to level up the tech game a bit. If you're comfortable with the command line, this one's for you. We're going to use Command Prompt to reset your password. First, you'll need to boot into the Windows 11 installation media. You can create one using another PC and a USB drive. Once you've booted from the installation media, go through the initial setup screens until you reach the Install Now screen. Instead of clicking that, hit Shift plus F10. This will open up Command Prompt. Now type in NetUser followed by your username and a new password. Make sure to separate each with a space. Hit Enter, close Command Prompt, and restart your PC. You should now be able to log in with your new password. Chapter 5, Reinstalling Windows 11, the nuclear option. Alright, if we've reached this point, it's time to bring out the big guns. Reinstalling Windows 11 is often referred to as the nuclear option, because it essentially wipes the slate clean, giving you a fresh start. This method is usually reserved for when all other troubleshooting steps have failed, and your system is still not functioning correctly. Reinstalling Windows 11 should be your last resort, but hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. This process can resolve a multitude of issues, from persistent software bugs to severe malware infections. However, it's crucial to understand that this is a time-consuming process and should not be taken lightly. Just a heads up, this will wipe your hard drive clean, so back up any important files beforehand if you can. This includes documents, photos, videos, and any other data you don't want to lose. Use an external hard drive, cloud storage, or another computer to ensure your files are safe. You'll need a bootable USB drive with the Windows 11 installation files. This USB drive will serve as your installation media, allowing you to boot your computer and start the reinstallation process. Make sure the USB drive has at least 8 GB of storage space. You can create one using another PC and the official Windows 11 download tool from Microsoft. Simply download the tool, follow the instructions to create the bootable USB drive, and you'll be ready to go. This step is crucial, so take your time to ensure everything is set up correctly. Boot from the USB drive, follow the on-screen instructions, and choose to install a fresh copy of Windows 11. You'll be prompted to select your language, time, and keyboard preferences. After that, you'll need to choose the Custom Install Windows Only Advanced option to perform a clean installation. It'll take a while, but once it's done, you'll have a brand new installation of Windows 11, as if your PC just came out of the box. The installation process can take anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour, depending on your computer's speed and performance. Just remember to set up everything again, including your user account and password. You'll also need to reinstall your applications and restore your backed up files. While it may seem like a lot of work, the end result is a clean, fast, and fully functional system. And there you have it. 5 effective ways to conquer that dreaded Windows 11 lockout. Hopefully, one of these methods got you back in the game quickly. Remember, prevention is key. So set up those password reset options early, and keep your Microsoft account info up to date always. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button below and share it with a friend who might be prone to getting locked out often. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. For more detailed instructions and links to helpful resources, check out the description below. Until next time, stay safe, stay secure, and keep those PCs unlocked.